Hello guys, welcome to Complete Ethical Hacking course from beginner to advanced level. I will be taking you throughout this course. This is complete practical course on ethical hacking where you will master system hacking, website hacking, Wi-Fi hacking, computer hacking and many more things. So everything should be started by asking a question. Why learn ethical hacking? Today's cybersecurity ventures predicts that the global spend on cybersecurity to increase to $1 trillion in 2021. At the same time, it also predicts that the cost of cybercrime will also rise to $6 trillion. So is this the right time to learn hacking? Yes, of course. Major companies like Facebook, Microsoft, Google, Netflix, Snapchat, Cisco and many more have bug bounty program that rewards anyone who identifies security vulnerability or flaw within of their any platforms. People who identifies and report their threats without causing any harm to their platforms with a genuine intention to improve the platforms are rewarded. By learning ethical hacking, you can play a vital role in securing the system and data from the threat and attacks. So guys, why should you take this course? This course is complete roadmap to beginner to advanced level. If you are a beginner or at the intermediate level, yes, of course this course for you. There is no previous knowledge required for taking this particular course. So now let's see what we are going to cover throughout this course. First, we will learn to create our own hacking environment where you can perform hacking attacks without worrying. Then we will move to next section where we will learn hackers' most favorite operating system, Kali Linux. Then we will also see how to hide yourself on internet. Then we will see some networking basic concepts required for hacking. Now we have arrived inside the hacking sections where we will see how to capture data packets, crack Wi-Fi encryption keys, perform network penetration testing and many more things. After that, we will learn to hack web application as black hat hackers too. Then we will also learn how to attack server side and client side. And we will also learn how to create backdoors and malwares and many more things we are going to cover inside this particular course. So guys, please enroll into this course and start your journey as an ethical hacker. And thank you guys for listening with a great patience.